trying you and I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kezia. I do hair reviews, lifestyle reviews. That sounds like something that you might be interested in. Think about subscribing on your way out. Today we're going to be installing this wig. We're going to be doing this cute little look, this little style.
I wanna let you go, but it's like something.
Today's hair sponsor is a new one to my channel. Let's give a warm welcome to PerisModa. It kind of sounds like Paris, but it's not spelled that way. I'm gonna pronounce it the way that it's spelled, PerisModa. So what I have installed today is a 24-inch 13x4 full frontal 13x4 HD water wave wig.
Knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better.
Face tint. When I'm putting on my lace tint, I don't go all the way in there. I just go where I need it. Where I need it is mostly just around the hairline there. So that's where I put it. Wow, the curls, look at the curls. First of all, the wig fits really nicely. Look at that, it's like perfect. This is what we're gonna go in with today. The Ebon Lace, what is this? Lace Melt Spray. This is the Silk Protein. I usually like to cut off the lace, but I've been trying a bunch of different things lately, just trying to figure out like what works for me. I think in order to grow, you have to try new things. Like I could literally just continue to do what works for me, but how will I discover something else if I'm not trying something else? You know what I'm saying? So I gotta, you know, try something else. And the girlies do this method anyway, so I'm just late to the party. I'm going to let this dry for a bit. That's looking pretty good.
Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine. Like we could be fine.
That's why I don't like to do this method, because usually it messes up my makeup.
Trick, say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words. Everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just
Okay guys, let me brainstorm and figure out what I want to do. I'm gonna come back with a real action plan and then we're gonna take it from there, because right now I'm kind of just doing whatever and I don't have like a actual plan. So while you guys were away, I did kind of change the braid. I did one braid instead. So I took out the other braid that I had going. I'm gonna go in with a huge chunk of gel. Only thing I did to this wig before we got to this point here where we installed her was bleach the knots. I didn't pluck this unit, I didn't do any of that. I just bleached her and then I was ready to install her. Guys, I was really blown away at the curl pattern. The curl pattern, when you let it air dry, is beautiful. If you wash it and brush it and just leave it alone, don't touch it, oh my god, it looks better than this. Like, this looks good, but how it looked when I first put it on, the volume, it was just gorgeous. It has like about even space all throughout here, which I really like. So we decided to do this little half up style with little braids here. I hope I did it justice. I also did trim the ends on it. It didn't need it, but I felt like it would look a little bit better if we did trim the ends, and I'm really happy with it. The knots did lift nicely when I bleached her. It just looks good. Look at that. Like, it's looking like I plucked the hairline and all of that. Let me know what you think about this style. Would you wear it like this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box as well. So anyways guys, that is all for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I ask that you do. With that being said, I gotta run guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.